Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And as you can tell from the title, yes, I did 100 Python projects. I did it. I finally finished it after like 6-7 months of me trying to like find ideas and all that. I actually finished it. And so in this video, it's probably going to be like a short video, less than 10 minutes anyways. I'm just going to be talking to you guys about the ups, the downs, and just like the overall experience of how it went. So let's just go back to my Python channel let's go back to my Python account on TikTok first. So don't worry about this. This is just the anime I'm watching right now. Yeah. So if you go on TikTok and you search up Pythonify, you should see my accounts there. If you're not following, just follow already and just obviously like engage with the content as well. So let me just walk you through my first project, which was a Hello World program. And as you can see, just simple, just a line of code. It's nothing too crazy, to be honest. So let me just talk you through why I actually started doing projects in the first place. And this was because at this time last year, I was initially starting to program and all that. I know you guys can tell because like when I started to take programming seriously was when I actually made this channel. So if you've been following me since then, you already saw the journey and just saw everything. So a friend recommended that if I want to become good at programming, I should actually implement what I'm learning. And that's because back then I was just obsessed with programming. I was just learning so much and actually not using what I'm learning to do anything. So he said that I should do projects and just do projects, and that way I'm actually learning from experience. Because they're different kind of learning, from reading, from watching, and from listening, all that ones. But I think the best way to learn is by actually doing something. So because when you do something, you just have that edge and that advantage over the ones that actually don't do anything. So, and then we can just see actually quite a lot of programming that I've actually done. So let me just talk to you about the upside of how this is. So when I actually started this, I was actually excited because I was excited to share the content and just share my ideas with you guys. Obviously I was posting for a month consistent, and then after I'll just say day 26, I don't know, but after a period of time, the ideas that I was getting was not new anymore because I was seeing other people posting them. So finding unique and new ideas was actually hard. So I actually stopped posting for a while. And that's because I don't know, it just got I didn't have the passion and the fun and the desire to actually post and do coding anymore, if that makes sense. But obviously after 2-3 weeks or maybe 2 weeks, I said to myself what am I doing? I like coding, so why did I stop coding, if that makes sense? So I have to just take time off trying to force the thing and try actually focus on coding for myself, and you get me. And then I started posting again, and then I just kept on posting. I just obviously I was not posting as consistent, but I made sure that at least every week I'm posting something. And then obviously that's pretty much it. The time I'm making this video, I've not posted the 100 this thing, but when you're seeing this video, the 100 will be would have already been posted on TikTok, and then you can just let me know anyways. So let me just talk you through some of the projects I've done. I wanna out of this 100 projects I've done, I'd say there's 5 or 10 of them that actually required me to use, I'd say 100% of my brain and my capacity. So let me just talk you through some of them. If you go back to my terminal, we'll just press list. We can see that here are the projects. Some of them I've done anyways. Not all of them is actually stored in my file, and that's because the ones that I didn't really care about, I just made and just just left them like that. I don't know where I kept them as on my laptop anyways. But the ones that I actually enjoyed doing, the ones that I thought the ones that required my whole strength and capacity, I just stored them as well. So I'm just going to go to the chatbot one. This is one of them. So if you run that again, python main.py, hopefully it works. So But yeah, I think it works. So let me just talk you through what this does. This is like a mini chat GPT. You can create a new conversation. I'll just be like, demo for me. And then if you start the conversation, and then you can see that it's a new room for conversation. So if you go to this one, and then you just be like, hi, my name is Pythonify. And then if you send it, it should show there. And then if you go to the test one and then be like, oh yeah, okay, hi, my name is James and I like it. And if you send this one again, you can see that it literally has like two separate conversations where everything is stored and like, you know, being displayed in their separate class and like slash hub rooms, whatever. And if you create, like, you can create as many conversations and like you can create as many rooms as you want, and then have like different multiple conversations in each room. Obviously, like none of them like having anything to do with each other. This idea actually came from what's name again, ChatGPT, obviously, and GitHub, because I was using ChatGPT and I was like, oh, it has unique features that I actually like, and obviously like I use Discord as well. So I was like, let me just actually try build something that, you know, implements the both of them. So if I just be like whatever, and then, you know, just create new conversations and all that, you can actually like have separate conversations and none of them have anything to do with each other. So that's for that one. And then if we go back to the project list, another one of my favorite one was the e-commerce one. See the e-com. And if you actually go into this code, like this was probably like the one that I did that I was like impressed with myself, to be honest. It doesn't work right. I don't think it works. It doesn't work right now because of the API that I was using. It's already like been used multiple times. So, but a video on that is actually on my YouTube channel. Another one that I actually enjoyed making was the Spotify one. Yes, that one. So, let me just go into that one. CD Spotify. Actually, a CD. Okay, yes. So if I just run the code, then hopefully it works now. CD main.py. This idea came because I was using Spotify and I was like, I can literally build this in Python as well. So I'm not gonna play any music because of copyright, and I don't want them to take this video down. So if I just shuffle my playlist, you can see all this playlists, all this music that I have. If you don't know who Tyke is, get with the program. He's a French musician. You can shuffle the playlist as well, shuffle as much as you want, and obviously you can play the songs as well, but I'm not gonna play it. And then that's for that one. So another one that I enjoyed making was a gallery one. Let me just see if I can try find it again. Yeah, this is the one. So if I try run it, Python main.py. So essentially what this does is that you open up, is like similar features to what a camera, gallery and all the thing does. So you open up this and then you go into what section you want to go into. If I click on screenshot, and then it takes me to this page as well. And then if I click on screenshot, it takes me and then it shows me the screenshot I made. So I'll just go to like a new page and then I'll try screenshot from there. So you can see that it's literally like you cannot see the Pythonify channel there. So if you screenshot, it makes a new screenshot of that and then it shows me there. And then similar features for camera, screen record and all that, but I'm not gonna open that one because you're gonna see my face and I don't want that. So if you go back there again, let me just see if I'm missing anyone that I actually enjoy doing. See the list. I'm probably missing other ones that I enjoy them. I don't want to waste too much time. So, oh yeah, and also all the code is available on my GitHub account. So this is my YouTube channel. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. And my GitHub account is, you just go there again, and then this is my GitHub account. Is in my bio as well. The link is in my bio on my channel and my TikTok account as well. So and all my codes that I post are available on GitHub. You can feel free to start them and just feel free to like use anyone you want. It's free, it's open source, all them ones. And yeah, that is pretty much it. So to end this video, I'm just gonna give you a little advice that my friend gave me. He said that the best way to learn is by doing projects. So that's that same advice I'm gonna give you guys. Do projects to learn, and you will learn faster than the ones that are only watching me do it. Cause like watching me do projects is not gonna like you're not gonna learn by watching me do. You're only gonna learn by actually doing it and experiencing the hard and pull. You're gonna do it by experiencing like just the whole thing, the whole package that comes with actually learning and the journey of learning. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye.